Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another video where it's okay to be curious. Like, share and subscribe, hit a notification bell and drop your comments. Now, Kishane Thompson, one of Jamaica's favorite athletes, is set to go in action soon. So Kishane Thompson, Masai Russell among stars at the races Grand Prix. There are so many exciting news bundled into one conversation here. Stay tuned. Let's get into it. Jamaica 100-meter silver medalist Kishane Thompson, Olympic 100-meter champion Masai Russell from the United States headline a strong list of athletes set to compete in this year's 7th staging of the races Grand Prix. The meet, which is a brainchild of Glenn Mills, the legendary coach out of Jamaica, Usain Bolt's coach. He made the announcement earlier this year at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. Now, Olivia Bobbsey-Grage, sports minister, said that the government will be contributing $10 million to this initiative. That's music to my ears. I think the athletes have been crying out for love, and the government is showing some love here. Thompson will be joined by the meet reigning 400-meter champion, who is Antonio Watson, Olympic long jump silver medalist Wayne Pinnock. Should see a good showing from him, along with Oblique Seville, Brian Lavelle, Rashid McDonald, and world championship finalist Christopher Taylor, who is making his return after a 2-year ban. Exciting news is that Kishane Thompson in action, and we are looking forward to seeing what Christopher Taylor will be bringing to the 200-meter or the 400-meter should he be able to participate in that event. That's entertaining news, exciting news, and it's anticipating news. What do you guys think? Remember, Christopher Taylor, it was a controversial ban for Christopher Taylor only because there was not a positive sample taken. It was just scheduling problems that led to that ban. So nobody knew if he was in breach of anything, but it still led to a ban, and create some problem there. No, Zarnelios, we saw that he is doing really well, and we are hopeful that Oblique Seville and Kishane Thompson will give us another spectacle. They will put on the kind of performance that we are hoping for. Again, these are the headliners. There are more, right? America's Chris Bailey, Trey Cunningham, and Zarnelios of Great Britain are also confirmed to compete in this meet. On the female side, Russell will be joined in the event by world record holder Toby Amusa from Nigeria. I think she has been training in Jamaica as well. Jamaica sprinter Tia and Tina Clayton, Alana Reed, Shellyan, Sasha Lee Forbes, and Crystal Slowly. This almost feels like a MVP Racers track club coming together to do something special for Jamaica. How do you guys feel? Along with Alia Briscoe and Tina Jones are the names that have been confirmed for the meet so far. And this is only so far. Great names probably will come up. More great names will come up. Like more Thompsons. Like more Price. Jacksons. Because it looked like MVP is making an effort to make this Racers Grand Prix something special. Glenn Mills might be working out something with the MVP boss. Let's see how that plays out. Bleachers ticket will be free to the public. Just imagine the crowd. Bleachers ticket will be free to the public, but patrons must go on the Racers website and enter their name, telephone numbers, email address, and age. However, as of May 31st, the ticket will cost $1,000 for bleachers. The finish line ticket for the Grand Slam will be $5,000 and $3,000 for regular Grand Slam. You can't ask for more. If you're a true track and field fan, $5,000
got a little bit of work to do here because he's under pressure from Ken.
If you're a true fan, especially with the climate in Jamaica, I can tell you what I've seen around the Jamaican. I've been hearing people saying that the youngsters, the young boys and girls, had been drinking away all of their earnings and earnings of their friends and family and loved ones. So yeah, I don't think this will hurt too much for the public to make the best use of the free ticket. You just need to go on the website, sign up, enter some information, create an email address, go on the website, sign up, and get a free ticket. Show up. buy some food, support the event. You know, one of the biggest support right now is seeing the crowd. One of the reasons why the Grand Slam track came to Jamaica was for the crowd and the enthusiasm. Now getting the Racers Grand Prix, putting on an event, allowing the patrons to show up for free. The cutoff deadline is May 31st. This is promoting the sport. And $1,000 for bleachers. This is literally a box lunch. It's a box lunch without a juice. You still have to find some money to buy a juice. And if you're a real fan who support the sport and would like to see the athlete get some kind of compensation, $5,000 or $3,000 is just the little contribution that you can make. Now drop your comments down below and let me know what you feel about this Racers Grand Prix. Kishane Thompson showing up, Oblique Seville showing up, Christopher Taylor making a return. I think this will boost the Jamaican 200 meter, 400 meter. Not sure what he had been training for, but he had been training. I was wondering if he would have been, you know, in his feelings and decided that he would not make that return, but he did. And the Jamaican public will be happy for it. Drop your comments down below and let me know what you guys think. Great narrative. Like, share, subscribe.